Good morning to all. My name is Rahul Kumar and today we will study about Indian Constitution. What is Indian Constitution? The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It frames fundamental political principles, procedures, practices and rights, duties of the government. It is also the longest constitution in the world with 395 articles and 12 schedules. Originally it consisted of 395 articles arranged under 22 parts and 8 schedules. Today, after many amendments, it has 470 articles and 12 schedules and 25 parts. The Constitution was written on 26 November 1949 and was made the center of law on 26 January 1950. What is the preamble of the Constitution? The preamble of the Constitution of India presents the principle of the Constitution and indicates the sources of its authority. It was adopted on 26 November 1949 by the Constituent Assembly and came into effect on 26 January 1950. It is also celebrated as the Republic Day of India. What is the preamble? We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens. The phrases "We the people of India" emphasizes that the constitution is made by and for the Indian people and not given to them by any outside power. First, sovereign. It means that it has the power to legislate on any subject. That is, it is not a subject to the control of any other state or external power. It means the independent authority of a state. Second, socialist. It means that wealth should be shared equally by society through distributive justice, not concentrated in the hands of few, and the government should regulate the ownership of land and industry to reduce the socio-economic inequalities. The term socialist used here refers to the democratic socialism, that is, achievement of socialist goal through democratic, evolutionary, and non-violent. Third, secular. Secular means that the relationship between the government and religious groups are determined according to the constitution and law. It separates the power of the state and religion. By the 42nd Amendment in 1976, the term secular was also incorporated in the preamble. There is no difference of religion. Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and Christianity and Islam all are equally respected, and moreover there is no state religion. Fourth, democratic. The people of India elect their government by a system of universal adult franchise, popularly known as one person, one vote. This representative form of government is suitable for governing the country because of its hug and diverse population. Every citizen of India 18 years of age or older and not otherwise developed by law is entitled to vote. Fifth, republic. This word denotes a government where no one holds public power as a proprietary right, as opposed to a monarchy in which the head of a state is appointed at that place. A democratic republic is an entity in which the head of the state is elected, directly or indirectly, for a fixed tenure. Thus, India has a president who is indirectly elected and has a fixed term of office. If there is an absence of a privileged class and all public officers are open to every citizen without discrimination. Justice. Justice stands for a rule of law and a system of equal rights and freedom and opportunities for all in a society. Social justice. What is social justice? It means no discrimination against any citizen on ground of caste, creed, color, religion, gender, or place of birth. India stands for the eliminating all forms of exploitations from the society. Economic justice. What is economic justice? Economic justice means no discrimination between men and women on the basis of income, wealth, and economic status. It stands for equitable distribution of wealth, economic equalities at the end of the monopolistic control over the means of production and distribution, and the securing of adequate opportunity to all the earning of their living. Political justice. What is political justice? Political justice means equal, free, and fair opportunities to the people for participation in the political process. It stands for the grant of equal political rights to all the people without discrimination. The Constitution of India provides for a liberal democracy in which all the people have the right and freedom to participate. Liberty. What is liberty? Liberty means the freedom of activities of a Indian citizens. There is no unreasonable restriction on Indian citizens in terms of what they think, their manner of expression, and the way they wish to follow up their thoughts in action. However, liberty does not mean freedom to do anything. It must be exercised within the constitutional limits. Equality. The term equality means the absence of special privilege to any section of society and the provision of adequate opportunity to all the individual without any discrimination. Next, fraternity. This refers to a feeling of brotherhood and sisterhood and a sense of belonging with the country among its people. The Preamble declares that fraternity has to assure two things: the dignity of the individual and the unity and integration of the nation. The word integrity has been added to the Preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976.